Let's go to this, and when you look at this, you see that this is the original design. When you go to the drawing details, you see that you have this bar like this, having 2x16 for the top main bar, and you see it's cranked here, and you have a top one here which is 3y16, and you have another top 2 here which is 2y16. And why this main bar stops here, it doesn't go into the support. So the bar coming from here also, which is the main bar, doesn't go into the support, but rather you have this top bar spanning, that's 1400 away, which is by calculation supposed to be around L/3 or 0.3 L. And here you also have L/3 from the support. It's L/3 here, and it's also L/3 here. Then you also have the T2, which is going to be at 900 away from the center line of the support, and you have that here also. But we don't really want this design. What we want is we want a beam to just run through this. So you can have your 2y16 or 3y16 running through this, then you provide a support bar for the top reinforcement. You also have your bottom bar, and as you can see, this bottom bar actually just runs through without any interruption. So we can go on to do that. The one that runs, you see that it's written here, extend right to lap. So that's just what we're going to do, but I'm going to just remove the crank here. I don't want cranking, and that's what usually happens when you extend to lap. It just takes a single beam and runs it through. So no cranking here. So I want to extend this one to lap instead of to short. Now extend this also left to, is right to lap already, so I'm extending it left to lap, and I'll remove the cranking, and I'll remove this completely. Then I take this and turn it down. You realize that we still have this here, which is the span at the top, to be giving us red, and I'm not going to ignore it. I'm going to just fix it by taking this bar and changing the layer from layer 1 to layer 2. So it's not going to be at the top, it's going to just be like a side bar, a support bar on the side, and you're going to see what it looks like in the diagram when we go there. When we go there, you see that we have this bar running straight, then you have this also running straight, and that's exactly what we want.